Hello everybody! Today we are making an exquisite Tunisian Tajine, which is a salty egg-based cake. For that, we will need 2 boiled potatoes, 6 eggs, 120 grams of grated cheese, 120 grams of tuna, 70 grams of olives, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 100 grams of parsley. First you need to boil 2 potatoes and let them cool. Then chop them into small cubes. Chop the parsley. Break 6 eggs and whisk them thoroughly. In an empty bowl, put tuna, cheese, parsley, chopped olives, potatoes. Then add turmeric, salt, eggs, yeast and breadcrumbs, and stir it with the spoon. Grease your baking pan and pour in the mixture. Bake at 180 degrees for 20–25 minutes. Your tagine is ready. You can serve it either hot or cold. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you!